Hey everybody, it's Neil with The Verge. I'm here with Apple's new Mac Pro. We've been waiting for this machine for a long time. The previous Mac Pro came out in like 2013. It was a round trash can. Apple said it had designed itself into a thermal corner, pulled it off the market, and started redesigning this machine to be inherently modular. That's what they said. So we expected a big tower, but we got a tower that's kind of unlike any other machine. It's all built inside of a stainless steel frame. All the components mount to that frame. This cover is just to manage the thermals. Inside, you've got an Intel Xeon processor with up to 28 cores. There are 8 PCIe 4 slots. There's an expansion slot for I/O that has a headphone jack, which is very important to me. It's got 2 USB-A ports and 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. There's additional USB-C ports on the top. There's also incredible graphics. So this machine that you're looking at right now that I'm sitting in front of is playing 8K video. That is running on an additional card called the Afterburner card that you can configure into the system. It's an FPGA that accelerates video rendering of this kind. This machine also has Radeon Pro Vega 2 graphics, the dual. So it has 4 GPUs in it, which is wild. All that stuff is configurable when you order it. There's not a lot of details on how that's going to work yet. All we know is that the base price of this machine, the one that's been announced, is $6,000. Apple says that compares favorably to comparable PCs with the same specs that come out at around $8,000. There's also 3 fans in the front, a blower on the side to manage all the heat generated by that Xeon, by those graphics cards. Apple says that under a desk, it will be as quiet as the iMac Pro. We'll have to see. In this environment, it's extremely hard to tell. Here's my favorite feature. You can get it on regular stands, or you can get it on casters. This one's on casters. I don't want to move this one too much, but you can see it rolls. I'm also sitting in front of Apple's new 6K Retina display, the Pro Display XDR. XDR stands for Extreme Dynamic Range instead of just High Dynamic Range. It does 1,000 nits of sustained brightness up to 1,600 nits of total brightness. It has a 1,000:1 contrast ratio using what appears to be a very aggressive local dimming system and a heat management system with the same lattice pattern on the back to manage its heat. It's really cool. It looks really beautiful. It's so hard to show you on a YouTube video, but I promise you, it looks really, really cool. That display is $5,000. You can get a matte version for $6,000, and the stand is optional. It's $1,000, but you can probably just get a cheap Visa stand if you want. But the cool stand that Apple makes that rotates in portrait mode, it's $1,000 extra for this display. So one thing Apple did not talk about today was putting NVIDIA graphics cards in this machine. It's something a lot of people want. Right now, the only options we've heard about are those Radeon Vega 2 cards. We're gonna talk to NVIDIA and see what they have to say about supporting this machine. One of the things Apple's really excited about is a new module called the MPX expansion module. In this machine, actually, the graphic cards are sitting in an MPX expansion module. That is PCI plus Apple's Thunderbolt 3 bus on a special connector. Proprietary cards are really interesting. They let you do really cool things. The big promise here is if Apple can continue to support those cards over time, because these machines are expensive and they're going to last a long time. So we'll have to see. So that's the new Mac Pro. It really feels like the successor to the cheese grater tower that all of us have been wanting for so long. We will know much more about it when it comes out in the fall. Right now, the only price we have is $6,000 for that base model. I imagine Apple's going to sell this mostly as a configurable system. That's the whole point. Whether you're going to add that Afterburner card, what graphics cards you're going to put in it, what processor you're going to put in it, all of that is going to hugely impact the price. We're going to find out more in the fall. So that's everything I know about the Mac Pro, but Dieter and I are here at WWDC. We're going to find out everything we can. Stay tuned to The Verge for more. Bye. Okay.